Welcome. This is a quick demonstration of a few features available to you through the Earhart Aerial Imagery analytical software in partnership with Propeller Aero. Once you log into our portal, you will go directly to the worksite, which is North Piccadilly Road and East 6th Avenue. By default, the most recent survey will be visible. In this case, we have the one for October 8th, 2019. This orthophoto survey is made up of over 900 aerial images and contains over 66 million data points. Data from the individual survey can be exported as 3D models, shapefiles, and terrain files. Each survey comes with a processing quality report that confirms image quality, and, most importantly, ground control accuracy. In this case, we are accurate to 0.136 feet. In the left menu below the survey are design plans we have imported. We can import as many updated plans as needed. In this case, we have two separate design plan files for two regions of the site. We also have an overlay map showing alignments, curbs and gutters, tops and toes, and lot lines. This data can help you visualize accuracy in many levels. The final item in the menu on the left allows you to perform many types of measurements using the point tool, line tool, or a polygon tool. The polygon tool allows you to select an area to calculate basic volume, earthworks progress, stockpile, surface area, and volume from lowest point. In selecting an area, you can see cut and fill ratios. This lot is nearly complete with just under 2,600 cubic yards left when compared to the final design. It is worth noting that you could also make these comparisons to previous surveys. Another useful polygon feature is the stockpile calculator. And for demonstration purposes, we have assigned a material value of sand with its corresponding mass and dollar value. Notice that the polygon I drew is much bigger than the stockpile, but the software is intelligent enough to capture just the stockpile itself. In this second example, we have assigned gravel values. Another useful example of the polygon tool is the ability to calculate volume from the lowest point. Here, we can easily calculate the volume of a holding pond. One thing to note is that we did not calculate the machinery in the image due to the automatic filtering algorithm that removed the machinery, which you can see in this 3D view. The line tool enables you to check berms, measure distances, calculate elevation and road grade differences, and come up with slope angles. Here, we have drawn a line across a row of lots for a cross-section comparing the latest survey to the final design. In this case, we see that this section is more or less completed to the design plan. Notice as the mouse moves across the chart, it correlates to the location in the image above. We can also calculate the grading ratio of the road immediately in front of these lots. And finally, the point tool allows you to tag safety hazards, points of interest, and any location you wish to monitor elevation history. So without really knowing what's interesting to you in this image, I've tagged a few storm water caps. Once all of your measurements are complete, all the items you selected will generate a comprehensive report that can be downloaded and shared as a PDF or a CSV file. This report includes the location and date and an image highlighting all the calculated areas, a summary page of all calculations, and individual pages for each calculation. Notice that each page or calculation has a link for each measurement where users with permissions can access the software directly to check. All users will have the ability to view the data, and some can be granted access to edit calculations and add design layers. We'd like to remind you that these are only a handful of features highlighted in this demonstration that will be available to you to improve your site efficiency, communication, and decision making. Earhart Aerial Imagery would like to thank you for your time, and we look forward to flying for your information.